You know what you need before you're gonna put a screw right in the drywall?
Yes, you will
What do you
need a
need?
stone finder.
You need to find, but you know what? Not only to find the stud. If you're gonna use an anchor, you gotta make sure that it's not a live wire the other side, or maybe
Absolutely.
a piece of metal, and you're trying to make a hole in. Sure, it will be a metal other side. You have to. So you can use it for a few things. They are very important. We can use it to find the stud. Most of that we put a picture frame, but sometimes the stud is not in the right position where you want to put a picture frame, so we want to put an anchor. Well, you have to make sure that it's not a wire or live wire right on the side. You can be making a hole, or there is a piece of metal either, or maybe you want to screw to some type of piece of metal. But so we want to make sure before we make the hole. And this stud finder will do that for you. So pretty simple. Press the power, it comes on, and the first will be your stud finder. And now you can move it, and it show you the arrow, and it will let you know right in the center where you have to put your nail or whatever you want to put right to the stud. Now let's imagine maybe you have 2 layers of drywall, deep 1.5 inches. You can use the deep mode. It will scan that in case it's deep that. Now the next mode is metal. So if you're looking for a piece of metal, you can use that too. There's a lot of drywalls. They use those. They use some metal studs, right? Like in an office building, the office building use all metal studs. So if you're gonna look for metal studs, then you have that too. And the next mode is if you're looking for electric wire. It will let you know, and it will show you the electric right over here. Now the nice thing is when you go in when you go into a stud finder, automatic will let you know if is any live wire. So you see a little bit in the video, I'm gonna play it. So when you scan this and move, you're gonna press right over here to the side. You hold it. You see, you hold it there, and then it will show you. And you see there, you see shows electrical, and that shows up because I'm real close to here to my power. I got a power device right over here. So kind of going to get the signal from my power here. So you see that? So it's a nice thing. So make sure if you're going to put an anchor, make sure that there's not a live wire there. So that we do a few things for you. But if you want to look only for one live wire, then you change your mode and go to that wire. Or if you change it for metal. So this nice device will make sure you do the right hole on the right location where you're looking to hang a picture or whatever needs to be done in your house. Right, Medina?
Correct.
All right. Thank you.